Hey everybody, Thomas here. We've got a party at the sawmill this morning. Today we're going to be cutting up some pine that was cut at another sawmill. We're going to go ahead and clean it up, cut it to size. These are going to be countertops for a house. And when we get up here, I'm going to go ahead and throw in a time lapse and everything, and we're all said and done. We'll show at the end. We've got 4 slabs to work with. They're up to 28 inches wide. We're going to make them 25 inches. Stay tuned. Okay folks, we're on to our last cut here. They've been cutting very well thus far. We've been going 25 and a 16th inch wide and 2 1/4 inches thick. This has been the last cut and everything. The blade's been performing well. Very happy with the cuts thus far, so here we go.
She won't let me look, but I think she has a tick on her.
Yeah.
Somewhere under the
The collar there. So that's what, a 3/4 inch piece there. Guineas. All right, folks. So the cut there was nice and slow, but there's a reason behind that. The cut quality's been so good. There will be very little finishing. Initially, my buddy here was going to go take this to a cabinet shop to get worked. But because the cut quality is coming out as clean as it is, this can be touched up with a sander, no problem. Even that last cut there, it did great. Even with all the knots and everything, very happy with the way this looks. And I'm going to get a little close up here in just a second and everything. Right here, a little bit of a divot right here by the knot, but that's to be expected with a quadruple knot, 3 knots there, 1 there. Not too bad. I heard the tune of the saw change just a little bit there. Everywhere else stayed nice and true. Let's go ahead and get a close close-up of this so you can see. Again, these are 25 and a 16th inch wide, and they're 2 1/4 inch thick. Absolutely gorgeous. This is gonna be countertops in his kitchen there. And as you can see, cut quality is pretty good. I'm happy with that cut quality. Blade probably has only about 250 to 300 board foot on it, but it looks good. I think that'll make a fantastic countertop. Now this is white pine, and white pine is very distinctive. It has a lot of knots and everything, but it also smells very similar to all the pines, especially southern yellow pine. But the way that the trees look up here, they are very distinctive. In fact, I'll show you one right here. That's a white pine, and that's a white pine right there. Lots and lots of limbs, and since you see all those limbs, it makes sense that you'll have all these knots in here. But that's what you want in a countertop. You want the knotty wood. All right, folks. Hopefully you found this somewhat enjoyable. I'll throw some pictures here at the very end that show this stuff. But please like, subscribe. We'll see you around. Thanks.